have an '05 Chevy cargo van, 3500, and the air conditioner goes out. When you turn the knobs, it's like it's off and nothing runs at all. Don't do what I do and replace the controls, the blower motor, the blower motor resistor thingy. I can't remember what it was called. But there's fuses you want to check that's underneath the hood. And there's also fuses underneath the seat. And after you've done all that and replaced everything and checked everything, you're probably going to find out what I did, which is it was the stupid ignition switch needed replaced. That's why nothing would work. The heater, the blower, the air conditioner, nothing. But you could hear the damper moving in there, because I guess that's all ran off the vacuum. But yep, don't forget about the ignition switch.